Hello, my name is Jason Fedden, and this is the Essential Android Developer course. I'm super excited to be here, and I hope you consider taking this class. We're going to have a ton of fun, and we're going to cover many Android topics. By the end of this course, you're going to be an efficient Android mobile programmer. I have a master's degree in computer science from Binghamton University and a bachelor's of arts degree in computer science from SUNY Oswego. I've been a software developer for over 16 years. I've also been an online instructor for over 11 years. I've taught over 20 classes ranging from compiler theory to assembly language programming. I've also created many different curriculums in between 5 and 10 classes. This includes beginner Android classes and advanced Android classes. My main focus in programming is object-oriented programming and mobile applications. I love it. It's a ton of fun. I also try to focus on writing high-quality software. I'd like to describe and tell you a little bit about the class by showing you some slides on some of the topics that we're going to cover. We're going to first dive into describing what Android is and why you would ever want to take an Android class. This will include an introduction to the basics and probably provide a little bit of history on the Android operating system. We're then going to follow that up by installing all the required software for the class and basically setting up your environment. What this includes is installing Java and also installing the Android SDK, which is a software development kit, and the integrated development environment. This includes Android Studio. I'm also offering a free Java class that you can take along with this class to help get you up to date and up to speed on the Java programming language. Android programming includes Java, so you have to have a good knowledge of this, but don't worry, there's a free class offered. We'll then explore the Android Studio integrated development environment. This is the environment that you're going to use to write all of your code, debug all of your code, and run your application. So it's important to understand all of the different features of this program and how to use it. We'll also talk about how to set up an Android emulator. Essentially, you will not need your own hardware device or your own tablet or phone for this class. You can use the emulator, which simulates the Android environment and allows you to test and run your programs. We'll follow that up with compiling and running your first Android application. That will be the basic first few lectures, getting you up to speed and just getting you familiar with the power of Android and writing an application. At this point, I would like to invite you to go ahead and browse the course curriculum. Go ahead and take a look at the class, how it's organized, and take a look at all the awesome topics that we're going to cover. Here's a quick rundown of the topics that we're going to address. We're going to be looking at the activity lifecycle, the Android manifest file, application resources, layouts, views, screen controls, date and time pickers, activities, and fragments. We're also going to address debugging, writing high-quality code, permission, storing data, services, broadcast receivers, notifications, databases and SQLite, as well as networking threads, locations, maps and overviews, Firebase, animation, hardware compatibility, advanced user input, and publishing your application in the Android market. I'm excited. It's going to be a lot of fun, this class. I hope you'll consider taking this class. You're going to learn a ton about Android. The class is structured in a lot of hands-on training. I'll do a lot of demos. I'll be going step by step through various programs, and I'm going to show you how it's done. It's a very practical approach. I also want to remind you that there is no prior programming experience required for this class. You don't have to know anything about the Android environment, and you don't have to know anything about the Java programming language. There's a free Java class that's provided when you sign up for this class. You can start there if you're not familiar with Java, and then move right into the Android stuff. So again, this is going to be a lot of fun, and I really hope you consider taking class. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.